Welcome to my class. Today we will learn vegetables vocabulary in Persian. So let's begin. Spinach, spinach. Spinach, spinach. Let's pronounce it with me. Spinach, spinach. Move to the next word. Brinjal, badmejun. Brinjal, badmejun. Let's pronounce it with me. Brinjal, badmejun. Move to the next word. Broad bean, bogoli. Broad bean, bogoli. Let's pronounce it with me. Broad bean, bogoli. Move to the next word. Onion, piyaz. Onion, piyaz. Let's pronounce it with me. Onion, piyaz. Move to the next word. Green onion, piyazche. Green onion, piyazche. Let's pronounce it with me. Green onion, piyazche. Move to the next word. Radish, torob. Radish, torob. Let's pronounce it with me. Radish, torob. Leek, tare-farangi. Leek, tare-farangi. Let's pronounce it with me. Leek, tare-farangi. Move to the next word. Parsley, zofori. Move to the next word. Parsley, jofori. Parsley, jofori. Let's pronounce it with me. Parsley, jofori. Move to the next word. Beetroot, chohandar. Beetroot, chohandar. Beetroot, chohandar. Let's pronounce it with me. Beetroot, chohandar. Move to the next word. Cucumber, khyar. Cucumber, khyar. Let's pronounce it with me. Cucumber, khyar. Move to the next word. Corn, zorat. Corn, zorat. Let's pronounce it with me. Corn, zorat. Now let's repeat it all again. Spinach, spinach. Brinjal, badmejun. Broad bean, bogoli. Onion, piyaz. Green onion, piyazche. Radish, torob. Leek, tare-farangi. Parsley, jofori. Beetroot, chohandar. Cucumber, khyar. Corn, zorat. Come to the next word. So let's begin. Potato, sibzamini. Potato, sibzamini. Let's pronounce it with me. Potato, sibzamini. Move to the next word. Garlic, sir. Garlic, sir. Let's pronounce it with me. Garlic, sir. Let's move to the next word. Turnip, shalgam. Turnip, shalgam. Let's pronounce it with me. Turnip, shalgam. Move to the next word. Dil, shevid. Dil, shevid. Let's pronounce it with me. Dil, shevid. Move to the next word. Chili pepper, falfel. Chili pepper, falfel. Chili pepper, falfel. Move to the next word. Bell pepper, falfele, dolmei. Bell pepper, falfele, dolmei. Move to the next word. Mushroom, gosh. Mushroom, gosh. Let's pronounce it with me. Mushroom, gosh. Let's move to the next word. Lettuce, kahu. Lettuce, kahu. Let's pronounce it with me. Lettuce, kahu. Pumpkin, kadu. Pumpkin, kadu. Pumpkin, kadu. Let's pronounce it with me. Pumpkin, kadu. Let's move to the next word. Tomato, goje farangi. Tomato, goje farangi. Let's pronounce it with me. Tomato, goje farangi. Now let's repeat it all again. Potato, sibzamini. Garlic, sir. Turnip, shalgam. Dil, shevid. Chili pepper, falfel. Bell pepper, falfele, dolmi. Mushroom, gosh. Lettuce, kahu. Pumpkin, kadu. Tomato, goje farangi. In next class, we will learn Turkish fruits vocabulary. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe us. And for offline classes, the contact details are given at the screen and in the description. Goodbye, stay well, stay healthy and be happy.